Ah, dugong yan. Oh, here it is. Part of signatures. Oh, whale. Look at this, Travis. Whale. Oh. Yan ang mga fossils yan, oh. Parang nasa marbles. May buto pa, may ribs. Ito, saber-tooth cat. Yun sa akin.
What is that?
Saber-tooth cat, the one that I have.
Doctor.
At home.
Painting there.
Yeah.
What's the painting?
That is cells. Look at this. Walrus. Ito yung fossil ng the walking whale. Evolution. Ito yung head ng malaking turtle. Sea turtle. Ito naman isang whale. Okay? Fishes. Ang daming fish dito mga kapatid. Look at that again. See? It looks real, but you know, it's not. It's a cast replica. But it's big. Oh, that's the turtle. Turtle. Let's go. Yes. Di pa, meron pa dito. Teka lang.
Right is right.
Ayan o, T-Rex. Oh, yan ang mga museums ha. Mga minerals. Let's start over here. Dito, top street. Sige, dito muna yung mga bata. These are the crystals. Look at the crystals. Yeah. Oh. Crystal cat.
Bobcat.
Meow. Bobcat. Those are crystals. Oh. See the crystals? Oh, another crystals that you can touch. Miguel. Crystal touch. Yaim. Oh, yung mga diamonds. Anong bibili natin dito? Nasaan na yung Big Boss Concentrate? Look at this. What is this? Looks like flowers. But I think there are some crystals formed. Wow, ganda. Crystals. Oh, different kind of crystals. This one is a good one. Pyrite. This one. Nice. Laki nito, fossilized minerals. Pricey. Okay.